To transfer money using Easypaisa without the app, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, you need to have an Easypaisa account. If you do not have one, you can create it by visiting the Easypaisa website or by dialing the Easypaisa helpline. Once you have an account, you can start the transfer process by dialing the Easypaisa USSD code, which is 3737 from your mobile phone. After dialing the code, you will be presented with a menu. From this menu, select the Send Money option. Next, you will be asked to enter the recipient's Easypaisa account number or their mobile number. Enter the correct number and proceed to the next step. Now, you will be asked to enter the amount you want to transfer. Enter the amount and proceed. You will be asked to confirm the transaction by entering your Easypaisa PIN. Enter the correct PIN to authenticate the transaction. After successful authentication, the transaction will be processed and the recipient will receive the money. It is essential to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Easypaisa account before initiating the transfer. Also, make sure to enter the correct recipient details to avoid any errors. In case of any issues or concerns, you can contact the Easypaisa customer support team for assistance. They are available 24/7 to help you with any queries or problems you may encounter. By following these simple steps, you can easily transfer money using Easypaisa without the app, making it a convenient and hassle-free experience for you.